In this lesson, we will learn about scripts. Double-click script. We have been working on adding mouse actions such as on click, on hold, and on release using script. Now, let's write scripts to create more actions. The script at program start is for setting actions when the View program starts. On script at program exit is for setting actions when terminating the program. For actions to take while the program is running, use the script while program running. Let's add scripts under the script at program start. Select a function you need, but this function will take action only once on program start. If you want your logo to pop up when the program starts, you can create a splash screen for displaying your logo. Let's go to the script at program running. Click Append. Let's add a function. Search for getTagVal and add. Click the tag and select the AI tag value. Search set tag and you will find set tag val script. We used set tag val num, which checks the conditions then performs control. Also, we can set whether to save control messages. The set tag val script performs control without any condition needed. It can control tags regardless of the tag being controlled by other stations. Also, it does not save control messages. Use set tag val script for the program, and use set tag val num for mouse action scripts. Click OK. Select A000001 as tag name. Compile and name it to test. We cannot change AI0001. Let's change it to VAIO0001. Compile and click OK. Go to View. Click View Tag Value. Current VAIO0001 value is 0. Let's control it to 20. VAIO0001 changes to 20, and A000001 also changes to 20. The program receives the value from VAIO0001 and controls the A000001 value. When can we use it? For example, when the VAIO0001 is a PLC value, you can use it to transfer the value to another PLC. However, we recommend you to use PLC communications to share data. When using the scripts, it will not sync without HMI running, so we recommend not to use scripts for important points. Only use it for the ones that are not significant and when syncing PLCs are not possible. Let's do one more. Let's examine the console. It is calling the getTagVal function. Let's look at the script from the designer. The getTagVal command is being executed. Debug messages are displayed on the console. Right now, only the getTagVal is being executed. We set it to receive data and to control, but it does not seem to be working. This is because it is set to control when the value changes to reduce system load. Let's control the tag. Change it to 30. As soon as the tag value changes from 20 to 30, the set tag val script function controls it to 30. Press Ctrl S to stop the screen. The set tag val script function implemented control onto A000001. The functions in the script automatically checks the value change and optimizes the system. Interval is set at 1000 millisecond. You can set it to every 10 seconds. The use option is checked. Let's go over thread. Uncheck it and the scripts will be implemented in order. So, in a single thread, the program will execute from top to bottom. Check crucial scripts to have it implemented in a new thread. It will execute in a more stable and faster way. However, if there are too many, the system might overload. So make sure to use it only for crucial ones. There is an Only Server checkbox. This activates only the active server after you set up a high availability server. The script at program exit works in the same way. Let's move on to script for keyboard. Click Append. Select Keyboard. This script executes when you press 1. Let's add load screen. Type in test. When you press 1, this script will be implemented, and the test screen will load. Click OK. Now, let's try setting it using the keyboard. Click the right button. Press the key of your choice. Let's press 2. Now, we can set actions for key 2. Type in startup in the parameter. Now, let's go to View. Let's press keys. Press 1 to load test screen. Press 2 to load startup screen. We set it to load screens by pressing keys. We can do more than just loading screens. Next, script for menu. Go to View. We can add a menu on a context menu that pops up when you right-click. The added menu will execute the action set. Let's name the menu Control. Then write a script. Let's add the set tag val function. There is tag name variable. It will get the tag name from the selected tag in the view. The tag A000001 is selected. So, using the script, it has to get the value of the selected tag. We need to add one more function for this. Search selected tag. Select Get Selected Tag function. Double-click. Let's relabel the variable to str tag. Now, we can right-click the tag and control it in View, same as the tag control menu. Let's try a different one. Change the second parameter to false. Second parameter indicates whether to display the confirm dialog box or not. So, now the confirm dialog box will not show and control it instantly. Go to View. Right-click. Control menu has been added. Click and control it to 20. The dialog box does not show up and it is controlled instantly. Click the tag control menu and control it to 30. Confirm dialog box shows up. Click the control menu. Change value to 56. We do not see any dialog box, but the value changes instantly. Next, script at login. The instructions are the same. You can make a welcome dialog box to pop up when logging in using the script. This is for the actions when logging out. Next, global function. Let's change the menu a little bit to see how the global function works. Let's set it to change the color of the selected menu. Select blue for the color. Change the color to blue to be shown like this on the startup screen. Also, for the second menu, change it like this. We will use it in scripts later on. So let's set the object ID to menu 01 and menu 02. Then, for layer 2, we need different object IDs. So type in S-menu01 and S-menu02. The default screen would look like this. When screen 02 is selected, let's make this change to blue while the rest of the menu's in black. Let's write an on-mouse release script to implement action. Paste the functions we have used before. Let's call the function. The object IDs are named menu 01 and menu 02. So type in menu. This is menu 1 of a total of 2 menus. Copy all and paste. Then for screen 1, this will be the menu 0. Let's go to view. We have the menu like this. When you select screen 2, it will turn to blue, and when you select screen 1, this will turn to blue. We will go over the routine first. Then talk about how to use global function. The last parameter of set selected menu is count of total. It sets the total number of menus and marks the selected menu with blue while changing the rest to black. Add the beginning part of the object ID, then values 01, 02 for it to get the object ID. If there are a lot of menus, then increase the count value and change the values of selected menus. Implement the script. The scripts for screen 1 and screen 2 are the same. If you need to change the scripts after copy and pasting functions for all menus, you will have to change the scripts for each menu. In this case, you can use the global function. If you delete all the functions before you add the global function, a compile error will occur. Let's add a global function. You have to use the name of the function as the name for the global function. If you add the name first, it will define a function with its name. Compile and click OK. Click Append. Type in test. And it defines a function like this, then add functions inside the brackets. If you rename the global function, the function name will also be renamed. We have created a global function. Click OK. Let's delete the function we added in the script. Since we added a global function, it now compiles. Let's delete the function for screen 1. We need it for menu 2. So copy it. Then, click on Layer 2. We named the object IDs to S menus. So, start with S menu. And this is menu 0, out of total 2 menus. Click Apply. Set trend as menu 1. We have not set the load screen for trend menu yet. So let's set it now. Go to View to check it. We can see the menus are working fine. There are script at program start, script at program running, script at program exit here. But there are similar scripts you can set for screen. Let's open the screen. We might need a script on screen open, while screen is opening, and when closing screen. You can set it from screen properties. The same on start, on progress, and on exit scripts are here. This was it for the script lesson.